At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, Rushawn Patterson, the man charged in connection with the October 2022 murder of social media influencer Anika Slickiana Townsend, was killed during a confrontation with the police Tuesday morning. My wisdom warriors, this is breaking news. Number one, I don't understand why this man was on bail. This man was charged. So why uno bail out this man here? I don't understand. Why uno bail him out? It just don't make no sense. This man was charged. And uno bail out the man. The man dey on bail. You know what? I really don't understand uno, you know. I don't understand uno. My people, wanna tell me what wanna think. The Ministry of Education, Skills, Youth and Information has intervened following ongoing conflicts between members of the leadership and governance structure of St. James High School, which have resulted in the closure of the institution. When I hear them something here, which have resulted in the closure of the institution. My wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that a Choppa John, Choppa John. You remember Choppa John? We send all those threats to bloggers. Who remember good? Who remember good? It has come to my attention that is Choppa John from the Chopping Block is the chairman of St. James High School. Can you imagine? This man was the same very man that blogged for Jamaica Labour Party. This man was a chef. I don't know if him still a chef, my people. But what me want to know is, does this man qualify to be a chairman of an institution? Such as a school? No, me want to know. Him ever teach yet? Him have qualification in teaching? When you see when me reach my wisdom warriors, me just ask the question, you know. If him have qualification in teaching, was he a teacher? My wisdom warriors, this seems to me like a some friend thing them depon. But before we get into that, let's get into this because something alright. Hear this. St. James High closed after incident with principal and chairman. When contacted, both men, Principal Joseph Williams and Chairman Christopher McCurdy. So Christopher McCurdy, him named Choppa John, Choppa Chop, or whatever I want to call himself, in the over there. So anyway, they have different views about what happened at the school on Monday. Montego Bay St. James classes were halted at St. James High School on Monday following an incident between the principal and chairman of the school board, who have been at the loggerheads for the past 3 years. The Parent Teacher Association, PTA, sent out a closure notice to parents advising that it cannot ensure a conducive learning environment until these grievances are fully addressed. My wisdom warriors, first, let me stick up in. If the chairman and the principal of that school, I have problem or them a war and whatever, you just need to put somebody in place. You just need to put somebody in place to cover. How you fear stop them from learning because of Choppa John and the principal? Come on, make it make sense. Make it make sense. I know the school have the problem. And the chairman and the principal. Bear in mind, the chairman is Christopher McCurdy. Everybody call him Choppa John or whatever way you want to name. According to Mr. Williams, He said to Observer, "We were having a staff meeting here this morning. He came and he disrupted the staff meeting. When we asked him to leave so that we could have the staff meeting, he said he would not. I had to call off the meeting, and when I did that now, he threatened me. He came pointing to my face in a threatening manner. It was quite upsetting. Even the students came and they were up in arms and said that he needs to go." Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Anywhere labor right there, problem there. Anywhere labor right there, problem there. This man was a blogger for the Jamaican Labour Party, you know. This man blog, you know. Blog for the Jamaica Labour Party. Members say them big him up, you know, in a parliament, you know. Members say Roy Clark big him up in a parliament, you know. Or you know what, me fi go for the video for remind you know. Or you know what, me fi go for the video for remind you know of all these things. My wisdom warriors. Who remember when Roy Clark open up his mouth and say, him a big up Choppa John from the chopping block. A Christopher McCurdy him attack. Christopher McCurdy. But you know so the whole of them a labor right, and you know so them a go pick up for them. You hear what the principal say? The principal say start threatening him and a point fingers in the man's face. A point up fingers in the man's face. Even the student them see what is going on and them want him to go. How can you put somebody like that? These are the people leading our students. Choppa John. Look at him with that name. Everybody know him. I know same name Choppa John from the chopping block. And them a type of people a chairman for our schools. Jamaica. And then we wonder why the pitney them not learning. Then we wonder why our kids are not learning anymore. Because a peer friend a run Jamaica. Pure friendship a go on. This man, we know him as a chef. We know that this man was a blogger. 3 years ago, this man get a big position, chairman for St. James High School. What can go so? What can really go so, my people? Hear more. The principal said the police were later called in and disgruntled staff only went back to work after he appealed to them to do so. Williams said second shift classes ended and at 5:30 p.m. as usual on Monday. However, McCurdy now, Christopher McCurdy, Choppa John from the chopping block, said Williams was the aggressor. So him now, the chairman, which is Choppa John, I tell the Observer that William is the aggressor. That since late last year, Williams has had an issue with him being board chairman. He said tension escalated in February after it became evident that he was returned as chairman and alleged that placards were placed at the school gate. My wisdom warriors, I want Choppa John know say, the whole of we have a problem with you being a chairman. Not only the principal. We all have a problem with you being a chairman. How comes you reach this so? You have qualifications for be chairman? Me have to really ask, have you ever teach a class in your life yet? What the hell is really going on? Jamaica really a run like patty shop. McCurdy said when he showed up at the school on Monday, Williams threatened to hit him with a bottle and some staff members also issued threats against him. Hey, my wisdom warriors. My wisdom warriors. You hear what go on? Christopher McCurdy, a.k.a. Choppa John, said when he showed up at the school on Monday, Williams threatened to hit him with a bottle and some staff members also issued threats against him. You see say this a man a problem though. You see say Choppa John a problem. Him a real problem because if the teacher them a issue threat to you, you have to do something to them. You have to do something to them. Them just need to move you from there, so. Seriously, why are you in this position about your chairman? You will come out and threaten people. You will come out and send threats to people. Seriously, you a chairman. Mighty God of Daniel, Jamaica really gone to the dogs. No, sir. Neither men commented on the other's allegations, but Williams is of the view that McCurdy's departure will solve all the problems. It is unclear when classes will resume. The PTA message to parents under the name of its president, D. Brown Williams, said further updates would be provided. The principal is hoping classes will resume today, Tuesday, but said that depends on teachers. According to him, they have been asking for redress from the education ministry since last year. He said he also hoping for a response this time around. Bear in mind, in St. James, this is the only school that is on shift. We have limited amount of time to prepare these students for external exams. The school has been doing so well and we don't want that to be thwarted, added Williams. St. James High currently has a student population of more than 1,700. My wisdom warriors, all them have to do are remove this chairman. Why him a guard the school? Yeah? Why him a guard the school? I don't mean I understand. Why am I go down at the school? I don't know the office there? This is ridiculous. How can a Choppa man? Hey, me people, you know say some money argument too much millions of dollars. Hey, mighty God of Daniel. What a name this man have, Choppa John. And they make Choppa John from the chopping block. Is the chairman of St. James High School. The people them don't want you there. You know see, the teacher they don't like you, brother. You need to lift up. The teacher they not like you. Me can't believe this Jamaica Labour worthless party. Uno logi bad, you know? Andrew Wallace administration, uno logi. Mighty God. How can you make somebody that is a chef and a blogger with black for uno, be chairman for, come on. This is madness. So my wisdom warriors, may I go share with you a video. This video me did talk about it months, I think maybe it's over a year now since I talk about it. You know say Choppa John, that is Christopher McCurdy. Yeah, him name Choppa John from the chopping block. Him all up on TikTok, my people. So me want to listen to the chairman, how him send out a promise to all bloggers. Just take a listen and wanna tell me what you think. As them alone, make the bloggers then stand up for the Jamaican people. The bloggers them out here standing up for the Jamaican people because I pure corruption in a Jamaica Labour Party. And you Choppa know that. You hear what you name Choppa? You know that. So my wisdom warriors, so Choppa send another message. Yes man, Choppa send another message and somebody send it to me. So I hear this.
This screen recorder is something to record about. Now, there's a lot of things that have been said, and there's a lot of information that is in the possession of my lawyer. And let me just add, not lawyer anymore, lawyers. Yeah? Like I told the screen recorders today, not a wealthy man. Whatever I have, or whatever I have been able to accumulate over the years, the 50 years that God has blessed me on this earth, I am willing to spend even my doctor money to find them. Last time I spoke about those who I am in search and in pursuit of, I told you it was 7 and I found 4. Well, the number has increased on both ends.
My wisdom warriors, I want to listen good enough to Choppa, you know. He said the number has increased on both ends. You hear what I said to you? I want to listen good enough. Because this a man come out and make mischief, you know. You see how life funny? This a man come out and I make mischief. Remember, you know? You did it in a carnival go around and a show Mark Golden and people attack. Your jail people them come out and big you up. And the bloggers them talk about it. Nothing wrong with that. The bloggers they not tell no lie upon you. And then this man come out and be mischievous and then turn on and talk about liars. Tell me if this a man have sense. My wisdom warriors, take in more.
The number has moved to 8. And the numbers of ones identified so far has moved from 4 to 5. It has moved from 4 to 5. One by one, me a find you. Identify you. Know no rules. No hangout.
You hear this, man, my wisdom warriors. Them a people here we have to be careful of. Them a people here we have to report them. Them a people here we have to be very careful of. This a man here track down people if you know where them hang out. If you say, yeah, go lasso somebody, my wisdom warriors, do you have to know where them a hang out? Seriously. You have to know all them sitting there? Me can't understand this a man here. Me just not get him. Me really just not get him. My wisdom warriors, all these things what this man is saying is a threat. Is a threat to bloggers. A big threat, and this is serious. This is very serious. You can take this here and you can screen record it, because a lot of people have been, texting me, and a lot of people have been saying to me, if they can share my video. Share my video, of course. No fan don't really understand how the thing set. Of course, I want to share the video, because this need to go viral. Because that's what I want to know. You want to hear what I'm saying at the first half? Screen record it. And that him say I want to go international. Lord Jesus. My wisdom warriors, taking more.
Because when me pull up simultaneously. Go get to the dictionary if you don't know what simultaneously mean. Coordinated pull up. And remember now, it's not a threat. Take it to the bank and deposit it, because it's a promise. Promise. Remember that. You see me turn on my camera? Me no want to know. Wonder if a Choppa voice or if a film voice or I miss that. Promise me, I promise you know that. So for those who are run up and down with my name and are associated with me with some nasty things in life, be ye prepared. Because if it is one day before the breath leave the body here, remember me tell you. Remember as I lift me hand to God in heaven. I swear by my life. I swear by my life. Any guy and the guys and girls who out there, I tarnish the little name my papa dead left give me. And I go pay for it and I go pay dearly. So if you never get nothing for screen record for man, then have that. Take it to a bank and lodge it. Because it is not a threat. It's a promise.
So my wisdom warriors, that is Christopher McCurdy, aka Choppa John. He is the chairman for St. James High School. Wanna hear them something here? This is the chairman for St. James High School. These are the type of people them have a represent for our youths. These are the type of people them have a lead our children. No wonder why they pick them in the school now learn. No wonder why. So I want to see that the man there now, a chairman. This was the same very man that works over Khan Regional Hospital on the construction site. I'm not sure if he was managing operator or whatever, but him did up there, because when Mark Golden went there, he was the one that was showing Mark Golden around over the Khan Regional Hospital, where Christopher Tufton and Andrew Wallace them has spent the 21 billion. Him in charge over there. So I want to see what is going on. I want to see what is going on, Jamaica. My wisdom warriors, may I go leave that one up to Uno. Tell me what you think and put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.